I'm Brad Johnson, and welcome to the second tutorial for the Healing Code cards. And in this tutorial, we're going to be looking into the Enhancer cards. Now, there are a total of 28 Enhancer cards contained in the Healing Code cards body deck. So I'm going to give 3 examples of the cards that are enhancers here. So one example is the Adrenal Enhancer. So obviously, this works together with your adrenal glands. This one is the Blood Enhancer. This one works to detoxify and purify your bloodstream. And of course, the Stomach Enhancer. And this helps to work together with many different issues pertaining to the stomach. So working with an Enhancer card, it is all about the process of detoxification, elimination, transformation, purification. So we are looking into specific ailments found within a particular body area that the Enhancer card in question works on. And again, through those 3 particular forms of options, whether it's staring into the card for 60 seconds, whether it's placing the card on your body for at least 60 seconds, or charging your water for 60 seconds as well too. This is helping to get the codes directly into your body to work with that area to help to eliminate toxins, viruses, bacteria, metals, other particular forms of contamination, and helping to bring in revitalization, helping to detoxify yourself, and helping to bring purification and transformation back into that area of the body. And so that is the function of the enhancers. Now, the enhancers can also be utilized with the Amplifier cards. I'll be getting into the Amplifier cards in another video. But when you're actually working with the Enhancer cards, these are very effective if you need to have a little bit more extra boost, a little bit more extra energy. And of course, you can utilize the Amplifier cards for the Enhancer cards as well too. As I said, there's 28 of them altogether. Now again, depending upon how you're able to handle the cards, you can use one or several of these cards on a daily basis. As long as it's not overwhelming you, it's not making you dizzy, it's not making you agitated in any particular way, continue to work with the Enhancer cards. These would be the cards that I would recommend you start with first. You're working on just clearing as much of the organs, the glands, the areas within your body that are again under the name of the enhancers, and working with that on a daily basis to bring about again a strong elimination, detoxification, purification, and transformation within your body. Now, when you utilize these Healing Code cards, it's not uncommon for some people to feel like their body is going through some major shifts. Some people may start to feel an effect of a headache, an effect of a neck sore, the idea that there may be some digestive rumblings as well too, maybe having to go to the bathroom quite a bit. Do not be alarmed should that happen. All right, this is all part of the effect of the detoxification that's coming in to clearing out much of this heavy toxicity, contamination taking place within your body. Now, it's important when you're using the Healing Code cards that you're drinking lots of water. Okay, you should have at least 3 to 4 glasses of room temperature, pure water or spring water each day that you're utilizing the Healing Code cards. My personal recommendation also is that you're using the Healing Code cards mainly in the morning or the afternoon. It is not uncommon for people who are using the Healing Code cards in the evening to feel like they can actually have difficulty going to sleep at night because the Healing Code cards can give you a lot of extra energy. So if you do use the Healing Code cards, I highly recommend that you're working with them in the morning or in the afternoon of your day, not in the evening, because again, that could keep you up, right? These are again very intense cards. They have a lot of power to them, and the last thing you want is losing a lot of sleep because you're working with the Healing Code cards extensively, especially in the evening time. So work within the morning, work within the afternoon. That would be my recommendation.